He called me on Instagram and was like, we need to talk. So I'm like, is it really this rat ass nigga calling me? So he was like, what did nigga say? Let's talk like men. Send me your math or some old wild shit. I hit him back and say, nigga, you ain't a man. I ain't got nothing to talk to you about. When I see you, man, you know what it is. And that's all I put. He ain't text back no more after that. So I ain't seen me post some shit about Jimmy's up in New York in the Bronx. That's where he go eat at. So I'm thinking he go to eating often. So I goes up there here and there. Every chance I get, I'm going up there.
So you're actually looking for him?
Yeah, I'm going up there.
Okay, so what would happen if you guys ran into each other?
Man, cut it, man.
Okay.
Cut the bullshit, man.
But you would, okay, so you would risk your freedom.
Yeah.